Event Horizon, Episode 1. The Universe in a Trap. The story of the universe, as we've long told it, begins with a singular event, a moment of explosive birth from a point smaller than an atom. It's a Big Bang. From this seed emerged time, space, matter, and energy. It's a puzzle under the traditional Big Bang model. From within, the fabric of space may appear to stretch faster and faster, mimicking the effects of dark energy. But within a black hole cosmology, coincidentally, our universe also has a boundary, a cosmic horizon, beyond which galaxies move away faster than light can travel. We cannot observe past this horizon, not because we lack the tools, but because the structure of space-time won't allow it. That uniformity is inherited from the conditions in the larger universe from which we emerged. Our universe was pre-smoothed. In a sense, our inability to see past the edge of the observable universe may be a direct result of living inside such a boundary, by the collapsing matter that formed our black hole genesis. But the veil itself, this universe, with all its elegant laws and breathtaking scale, may be the skin of something much larger. It wraps around itself. There is no center, no edge-only perspective. And everything we observe from cosmic evolution to quantum fluctuations may be governed not by what lies ahead, but by what lies outside our cosmic prison. Something older, deeper, stranger. And our universe is just one of many, each born from the death of a star, each hidden within its own gravitational cocoon, each with its own laws, constants, and destiny. But what if the story doesn't begin with a bang, but with a collapse? In recent years, some of, by definition, is a region of space-time where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. But within the equations of general relativity, black holes possess inner regions, deep wells of warped geometry that defy common intuition. One such model, the Einstein-Rosen bridge, suggests that a black hole could act as a tunnel to another space-time, a completely separate universe. This leads to a radical yet mathematically consistent question: what if our own universe was birthed through such a process? The boldest minds in theoretical physics have begun to rethink the very structure of our universe, not as a freestanding entity, but as something enclosed, curved inward, hidden, like a pearl inside a cosmic shell. A growing number of cosmologists now entertain the possibility that our universe may not be outside a black hole but inside one. It's an idea that sounds like science fiction until you see the mathematics. A black hole, in 2010, and again with more detail in 2014. Physicist Nikodem Popfalski introduced a model where black holes don't end in singularities, but in bounces. When matter collapses under its own gravity, instead of forming an infinitely dense point, it rebounds due to quantum effects and gives rise to a new region of space and time, a new universe. From the outside, this looks like a black hole. From the inside, it feels like an expanding cosmos. If that's true, our universe may be the offspring of a black hole formed in another universe, nested within a parent cosmos like a Russian doll. This would explain more than it confounds. The remarkable smoothness of the cosmic microwave background radiation, despite vast distances between regions of the sky that never had time to interact. Even the strange acceleration of our universe's expansion, a phenomenon usually attributed to the mysterious force called dark energy, could instead be explained as a geometric consequence of existing within the curved spacetime of a black hole. And then there's the horizon. In black holes, there's a limit beyond which no information escapes the event horizon. What if these two horizons are not a coincidence but a signature? In many models of black holes, the inner region, our hypothetical universe, would have its own horizon dictated by the structure of the black hole enclosing it. And here, the implications turn profound. If we are living inside a black hole, then the universe is finite but unbounded, much like the surface of a sphere. We do not yet have the instruments to peer beyond the veil. A black hole is supposed to trap everything, even time. But what if instead of trapping us, it gave us life? This is not the end of the story. In fact, it may only be the beginning. Because if we are living inside a black hole, then the multiverse isn't a fantasy. It is a necessity. The trap may be the cradle. And we stargazers on a tiny world orbiting a modest sun may one day learn that the stars we see above are not only windows into space, but into the deep interior of something else. Welcome to the event horizon.